Okay, so I am going to be sharing with you one of the features that I really liked in this student success system, and that is the social learning sociogram that we are given, and that is on the image on the right here. And the way that we can access this is by clicking on social learning under a student. So I've gone to S3, I've clicked on a specific student that I want to take a look at, and then I can either look at the social learning chart, and I can also look at the success index chart. So the reason why I like to do these is because I want to assess how a student is learning with his or her peers, which is on this social learning chart, and I've identified the student I'm looking at specifically. Her numbers are good on the success index for the specific category, and she's right in the middle of our web, which means that she is connected with several students within the class. So that's great to see, and that is different from, for example, one of these students in the red or one of these outliers around the circle. They are not connected to as many students, so it's a huge indicator of success in our course. And this is an example of a student that is an outlier on the outside of this chart here. And so what I would do is I would take a look at what's going on here. He's performing poorly on assessments. However, he's doing fairly well within the social learning. He must be scoring well on his discussions. He's on the outside, so he's not connected to as many students, but it's important to note that some students rely on the discussion category for a boost in their grade, and I believe he is one of those. Maybe he is not connected with as many students as others are, but he is performing well in the discussion, and I believe that the discussion category is actually helping boost his grade because he's performing so poorly on his assessments. So that's just what I have analyzed from the sociogram that I have been provided. And that is why it's one of my favorite tools within S3. Thank you.